Hi, I'm Osiri Wisdom. Welcome again to 100 Days of Wisdom. Today is day 34. It simply states how to find your passion part 2. Don't forget, I've talked about the first 4, so I'm going to continue the next one today. How to find your passion. Finding your passion or investing time to find your passion is something that is useful to you, something that is helpful to you, something that can help you become your best. Okay, number 5 is, what do you get so busy, doing that you even lose track of time? What is it that make you to forget to eat? That makes you to forget to bathe, or even to go and wee or pee like they say around this part of the world? You know, I read a story about a scientist, an inventor. He was working in the laboratory, and then the wife came and served him food. And he was so busy in the things he was doing, he didn't have that time to go and eat. And then finally, when he said, oh, let me go and eat. And he got to the table where the wife normally would see the food. He didn't see the food again. He said, oh, I forgot I've eaten. No, he didn't eat. The wife took the food away because it was getting cold. So you see, what is it that can consume you to that point that you even forget to eat? You know, we like to eat, we like to rest, we like to bathe, we like to... But what is it that can make you hold your peace? Let me just watch me this. You know, it's like watching a movie. Say, oh, I want to finish this, this section before I go out. What is it that makes you to do that? Number 6 is, you have to find what topic that you like to discuss about. Okay, it might be topics that engross you, that you get engrossed into so powerfully. It might be on fashion, it might be food, it might be fitness, it might be health. That discussion part can be a pointer to your passion, can be a pointer to your passion. The next one is that, what do you think about? What do you want to be remembered for when you die? Because that thing will push you to begin to do things in a certain way. What you want to be remembered for. What you want to be remembered for, okay? What you want to be remembered for. That will be very, very vital for you. The next one is, if money is no longer a problem, in other words, you have enough money, or you build enough businesses, or you have enough system that constantly flow money into your hands, what will you do with your time? That thing you will do with your time is a pointer to your passion. Some say, oh, thank God I don't have all of this. I want to go fishing, or I want to just write books, or I just want to go and mentor other younger people. Whatever that is, that can be a pointer to a passion you need to focus on. The next one is that you also have to be patient. In finding this passion, you have to be patient. You have to stay inquisitive and then stay sensitive. I'm going to say that again. You have to stay patient. You have to stay inquisitive, and then you have to be sensitive, because the answer you're looking for can drop at any time and you don't want to miss it. It's my prayer for you that you will find passion and pursue your passion and benefit from your passion. And don't forget to join me every Saturday on my Facebook page at Osiri Wisdom, 9 p.m. and it's for Wisdom Shift Live. There we discuss about the things we've learned, and then you have time to share with me, ask questions, and then we interact. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday. I cherish you and I value you.